How to switch on ghost mode on Instagram Etch Stay Hidden 2025. Do you want to use Instagram without others knowing when you're online or what you're doing? Many people call this ghost mode. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Instagram's privacy settings to stay hidden safely and officially in 2025. Welcome back. Today's tutorial explains what ghost mode actually means on Instagram and how you can enable it using built-in privacy options. There's no hack or third-party app involved, just simple settings anyone can use. First, let's clear one thing up. Instagram does not have an official button called ghost mode. Ghost mode simply means adjusting your privacy settings so others can't see your activity status, read receipts, or interactions. Now let's go step by step. First, hide your online status. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, then open Settings and Privacy. Tap Messages and Story Replies, then Show Activity Status, and turn it off. Once disabled, others won't see when you're online or last active. Next, turn off Read Receipts. In the same Messages and Story Replies section, tap Read Receipts and turn them off. This stops people from knowing when you've read their messages. Now limit who can message you. Go back to Messages and Story Replies, then Message Controls. Set message delivery so people you don't follow go to message requests or choose not to receive messages at all. Another important step is hiding your stories. Go to Story, then Hide Story From, and select the people you don't want to see your stories. This keeps your activity private without blocking anyone. You can also restrict accounts. Open a user's profile, tap the three dots, and select Restrict. Restricted users won't know when you're online, and their comments won't be visible publicly. Here's a pro tip. If you want maximum ghost mode, avoid liking or commenting on posts while hidden. Engagement still makes your activity visible in feeds and notifications. To summarize, Instagram ghost mode is about turning off activity status, read receipts, controlling messages, and limiting story visibility. These settings let you stay hidden while still using Instagram normally. If this guide helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more simple privacy tutorials, and comment below. Do you prefer staying in ghost mode or being fully visible on Instagram?